with total number of post vacant for LDC, Talati, junior stenographer and multitasking post. And total application inga paule 24,669 or 24,699 through proper channel. 2,919 has been given through proper channel. Talati is 1216 and his junior stenographer 173 and his MTS 1,199. Last day was Ikra target dalide. A total application inga paule 24,669. Now the thing is we have to do an examination. Exam will be conducted by the Director of Technical Education. Again the shortlisting that day. So whoever is cleared from there will be eligible for the next step in the selection. The people are well qualified. Most of the people are. The application आमकां पावले MBA चे हा qualification मागीर engineering, geologist, chartered accountants इतले application पावले आमकां for the post of LDCs, Talatis. Okay. Otherwise, the quality of candidates are very good.